I have with me Xiaomi 14 Pro and iQOO 12 Pro. I'm making this video because of your request. You guys had many doubts about which phone is better and which one to buy. So I'm making this video to show both these phones. I will cover everything so you can understand the differences between them. Both phones come in black boxes, and in the box you will find a 120-watt charger, Type-C cables and cases. The iQOO 12 Pro's cover looks better than the Xiaomi one. The phones have similar body designs, but the camera design and thickness differ. Xiaomi 14 Pro is thicker, and on the bottom there is a SIM slot, Type-C charging port and one speaker. The top speaker is also available in Xiaomi and iQOO 12 Pro. The back of Xiaomi easily shows fingerprints, while iQOO, being made of leather, doesn't have fingerprints. The frame color of Xiaomi matches the body color, while iQOO 12 Pro has a black bottom regardless of the body color. In terms of battery, the iQOO 12 Pro has a larger 5100-hour battery compared to Xiaomi 14 Pro's 4800 mAh battery. Both phones come with a 120-watt charger, but iQOO offers a 10-watt reverse wireless charging option, which Xiaomi lacks. Now let's discuss the display differences between the two phones. Xiaomi has a slightly wider but smaller 6.73-inch LED panel, while iQOO boasts a larger 6.8-inch AMOLED display from Samsung with a better resolution. Xiaomi has a higher PPI 522 compared to iQOO 517 PPI, but iQOO's display has a higher refresh rate of 144 Hz compared to Xiaomi's 120 Hz. Both phones have curved displays, but iQOO 12 Pro is slightly more curved, providing a premium feel. Moving on to the software, Xiaomi uses HyperOS and iQOO uses Origin OS. Both phones have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and a rating of IP68. They share features such as UFS 4.0, NFC 2.0, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 and USB 2.0. But iQOO has a better AnTuTu score, specifically 2,087,000 compared to Xiaomi 14 Pro, which scores around 2 million. iQOO is highlighted as perfect for gaming purposes, although Xiaomi 14 Pro allows playing PUBG with 90 FPS. iQOO 12 Pro outperforms with a range from 90 FPS to 144 FPS. In other games like Genshin, iQOO achieves 60 FPS to 144 FPS. Additionally, in ultra high quality, iQOO offers 2K resolution plus 60 FPS, while in high quality, it provides a 900 pixel quality with a 144 FPS frame rate. In this context, iQOO emerges as a winner, securing more points and demonstrating superior gaming performance. In terms of camera specifications, in Xiaomi 14 Pro, the front camera boasts 32 megapixel, capable of recording videos in 4K at 30 and 60 FPS, a feature well received by users. On the other hand, iQOO 12 Pro offers a 16 megapixel front camera, allowing video recording at 720p 30 fps and 1080p 30 fps, lacking the 4K option. In terms of the back camera department, both phones are in close competition. iQOO features a 50 megapixel main camera with OIS and a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a remarkable 64 megapixel telescope telephoto lens. Video recording capabilities from the back camera include 1080p at 30-60 fps, 4K at 30-60 fps, 8K at 30 fps. Xiaomi also incorporates a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with OIS. The iQOO 12 Pro gains an edge with its 64 megapixel telescope lens. Notably, iQOO achieves 100x zoom compared to Xiaomi 14 Pro's 70x zoom, indicating a difference in zoom capabilities between the two phones. डिफरेंसेस देख सकते हो रात के वक्त क्या हो सकते हैं। और लेफ़्ट साइड में है iQOO 12 Pro 4K 30 FPS पे दोनों पे वीडियो बन रही है। अभी जो टाइम है वो शाम का वक्त है और अभी मैं वॉक कर रहा हूँ। दोनों में जो है HDR टर्न ऑन है। बैक कैमरा जो है 50 मेगापिक्सल दोनों का सेम है। टेलीफोटो में आपको डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा। अभी जो है दोनों का ये 1x है, 1x है, ये 3.4x है और ये है 3.4x। स्पीड जो है जूम की iQOO 12 Pro में थोड़ी सी स्लो है और ये दोनों का अगर आप डिफरेंस देखें तो बैक कैमरा से कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा। और मैं अभी मज़ीद जूम करूं तो ये 15x तक की जूम कर देगा Xiaomi 14 Pro और मेरे लेफ़्ट साइड में है ये 10x तक की जूम कर देगा iQOO 12 Pro। iQOO 12 Pro जो है वो 10x तक जूम किया है और Xiaomi 14 Pro ने जो है ये 15x तक जूम किया है। तो ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस मिलेगा। बैक कैमरा से वीडियो बनाते वक्त जूम ये इतना करेगा और अगर मैं इन दोनों को बाहर लेके आऊँ स्पीड से तो कुछ ऐसी स्पीड मिलेगी। दोनों का जो है ये 0.6x अल्ट्रा वाइड है, 0.6x। मुझे आई गेस ये iQOO का बैक कैमरा जो है 0.6x अल्ट्रा वाइड जो है थोड़ा बेहतर लग रहा है। वाह, अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें तो थोड़ा सा फ़र्क पड़ेगा। ये जो है iQOO 12 Pro और ये है Xiaomi 14 Pro। दोनों का HDR टर्न ऑन किया हुआ है मैंने। और ये बैक कैमरा से आप ब्लॉगिंग वगैरह में कुछ ऐसा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं अल्ट्रा वाइड से। ये बैक कैमरा से अब मैं आपको थोड़ा सा 1x 1.1 ये 1.1 दोनों की अभी मैं आपको रनिंग करके दिखाता हूँ। तो ये स्टेबलाइजेशन का आपको उसका रिज़ल्ट पता चलेगा कि कैसा है। ओके, तो बैक कैमरा से ये वीडियो डन करते हैं। अब फ्रंट कैमरा से इसको देखते हैं। ऑलराइट, तो ये आपको फ्रंट कैमरा से वीडियो का रिज़ल्ट कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा। 1x है दोनों का। iQOO जो है वो जूम हो सकता है वीडियो बनाते वक्त भी और Xiaomi जो है जूम नहीं हो सकता है वीडियो बनाते वक्त। पहले मैं जूम आउट कर दूं और दोनों की क्वालिटी आपको डिफरेंट मिलेगी। iQOO 12 Pro के अंदर जो है 1080p 30 fps आप वीडियो बना सकते हैं और Xiaomi 14 Pro के अंदर आप 4K 30 fps में भी वीडियो बना सकते हैं। तो आई गेस Xiaomi जो है वो विन करेगा। तो ये इसका रनिंग रिज़ल्ट है फ्रंट कैमरा से। Finally, considering price, colors and variants, both phones are priced similarly with different color options and RAM storage variants available. iQOO 12 Pro seems to offer a better overall package with a superior display, battery life, software, chipset and back camera performance. However, individual preferences may vary, so it's essentially to consider specific needs and priorities when choosing between the two. Let me tell you the prices, variants and colors of both phones. The price is the same, but the variants and colors are different. In Xiaomi 14 Pro, you can find 3 colors: black, white and green. In iQOO 12 Pro, you also have 3 colors: black, white and red. You can find different variants. The basic variant for Xiaomi 14 Pro is 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage for 5000 RMB. In iQOO 12 Pro, the basic variant is 16GB RAM plus 256GB storage for the same price of 5000 RMB. The price difference in the basic model due to the RAM difference. However, the second and third variants have the same price. Now you can check the prices in your own country. I hope you liked this video as I have highlighted the differences between both phones. If you are particularly interested in gaming, iQOO 12 Pro seems to be the better choice. Xiaomi 14 Pro, on the other hand, excels in front camera capabilities. Alright guys, this video ends here. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next one. Bye.